Since 2016, POWEROAD has been dedicated to the development of battery management systems. In 2017, the Shenzhen R&D Center was established to focus on full-stack BMS in-house development. That same year, the first-generation BMS was successfully developed and deployed in projects. By optimizing SOX estimation and related algorithms, we've improved SOX measurement accuracy and better control the allowable charge-discharge power, thereby further enhancing system stability. We've upgraded balancing technologies and strategies by adopting high-current bidirectional active balancing combined with an all-time high-efficiency balancing strategy, significantly improving the economics of energy storage. We've strengthened safety and reliability by collecting cell impedance data at multiple frequencies to assess degradation differences, enabling maintenance reminders and thermal runaway warnings. With advancements in data management and intelligence, our self-developed visualization platform leverages AI plus diagnostics to deliver fault warnings and strategy optimization, further improving operational efficiency. We've mastered core algorithms and hardware design, achieving independent and controllable technology that allows for rapid response to customer needs. Our in-house BMS is better suited for energy storage applications and can be flexibly deployed across various scenarios. Our in-house BMS is all-encompassing. Cell management, environmental monitoring, temperature control, and energy efficiency management are all centrally processed, enabling faster and more efficient decision-making. Our self-developed BMS plays a key role in our differentiated competitive strategy, providing technical support for the integration of PCS, EMS, and BMS, the 3S fusion.